So after my quick edging, I got straight into a mow. This is 10 days in my little 2-week project on the lawns that I'm doing at the school. Now I didn't have time to suck up all the leaf litter, and look, it really does get to ridiculous levels, as you can see. You can see it's mowing up a tree and the PGR is doing its thing, but you can see the results that I've got in 10 days already, so it's going in the right direction. The colour and condition is just amazing. The sward is tightening up and the lawn is really maturing to the cut. The kikuyu next to the gym is a total different beast altogether. We've been using our Z-turn from Greenworks to look after this. And this cut here, I'm going at 2 inches, and we're not going for colour, as you can see, because we're cutting a lot of it out. We're going for condition. Colour will come, and we've got 4 days to make it happen. So be sure to watch the video that comes out Sunday and see how I go. Now I recorded this mow on the 11th, and look at these temperatures, 40, 43, 42. It's going to be insane, but make sure you check out my video this Sunday the 15th of January to see how it went.